Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here for Hamster Daily Cipher. And so the word for today is Genesis. So, first of all, let's get on to Daily Cipher mode by typing here, tapping there. So, let's tap it. So, we are now in Daily Cipher mode, and the word we are looking for is Genesis. Genesis, Genesis. Okay, so that is the word we want to spell. And as usual, we are going to be making use of our daily chart. This is our chart of bird. So the first letter in Genesis is letter G. And letter G is spelled as dash dash dot. Dash dash dot. So let's do that. Let's activate it. Dash dash dot. So we have activated the letter G. So the next in line is letter E. And this is letter E. Come on. And letter E is just one dot. So we just have to tap on our phone once and you are done with it. So just tap once and you have letter E. So what is letter N? Letter N. And letter N is spelled as dash dot. And letter N and letter E are inverse of each other. Okay? They are the same thing, dash, but when you flip it over. So N is dash dot. Y is dot dash. So we are doing dash dot now. Dash dot. Okay. And then the next letter is still letter E. We've seen it before. The letter E is just one dot. So let's do that. Just tap on your phone and that's all. So we have Jenny. We are looking for 6. So letter S is the next in line. And how do we spell letter S? This is how we spell letter S. Triple dot, 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 3 times. Okay? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that is Genesis. Remaining IS. So letter I is just 2 dots. While the next letter S, will be triple dot. So letter I is just what? 2 dots. So let's do that. 1, 2. And that is letter I. And letter S stand for 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. You take your prize and then you are done for the day. Okay? So I will see you on the next one. Do have a good day. Bye bye.